Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 9th of August 2024. US Dow Jones increased 1.76%, settling the day at 39,446.49 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,660.02, raising 2.87%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 35,411.19 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,162.49. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,388, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII sold 2,626.73 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. RBI keeps repo rate unchanged at 6.5% for 9th time in row. LIC reported 9.4% increase in consolidated net profit for the Q1 2024 to 10,544 crore rupees. Now talking about global aspects. US jobless claims unexpectedly fell to 233k, below the forecast of 241k, indicating a stronger than expected labor market and potentially delaying recession fears. Wall Street saw a robust rebound as latest US jobs data eased worries over slowdown, sending S&P 500 higher to its best day since November 2022. China's July consumer prices jumped faster than expected, producer deflation persists. WTI rose 1.2% to $76.09 a barrel and the Brent rose 1% to $79.08 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 103.03. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.50%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices experienced a volatile session, swinging between gains and losses after the Reserve Bank of India kept interest rates unchanged, as expected. The central bank maintained a hawkish stance due to ongoing high food inflation. The Sensex dropped nearly 600 points, closing at 78,886.22, while the Nifty ended in the red at 24,117.00. Outlook for the day: the Nifty 50 index is currently encountering resistance around the 24,350 level and closing near the day's low, creating a range between 24,000 to 24,350. The key support is still intact at 24,000 level. If we break this, a decline towards 23,700 is anticipated. Conversely, if the index manages to sustain above 24,350, we could see a move towards 24,600. The overall market structure appears weak, indicating a sideways to sell on rise strategy. Bank Nifty is also trading in a 1,000-point range, 49,600 to 50,600, finding support near the 50,000 level. A drop below this could lead to a decline towards 49,600. Resistance is observed at 50,200, and if the index sustains above this level, it could sharply move towards 51,700 and 52,000. The trend indicates weak sentiment, suggesting a sell on rise to sideways strategy. Stocks on radar are Syngene International, Alkem Laboratories, Chambal Fertilizers, Tata Motors, REC Limited. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in